Hello, my name is Eike Martini. I joined Magna nearly 2 years ago. I'm responsible for the global eDrive engineering in Magna Powertrain, which is the inverter, the e-motor, the advanced engineering for those topics, and the software. And of course also the program management. Beside my work at Magna Powertrain, I'm a passionate basketball player since the age of 10. And I'm still playing. That has a lot of aspects. First of all, as a player, I was working hard since I was 10 to compete. And it is quite hard to practice all the time and maybe not to play. However, it made me feel that I need to be part of the team. I'm part of the team. I'm important. I practice. I have to continue practicing. And I maybe make it to the team and I maybe make it to the game. And when I play, I have to deliver. And that is always a challenge that we also have in business. We can never settle. We always have to work and improve. And once we get a project, we need to deliver on that. So that is one part. On the other side, it's also, for example, in basketball, 95% of the time you don't have the ball. 50% of the time you're playing defense. You're not playing all the time. There's 5 players. So round about 95% of the time you don't have the ball. So you have to play for others. You have to think about where to move, what to do, how to help others. I was very enthusiastic when Germany was playing in the World Championship 2023 with a great team and finally won the World Championship which was a historic win actually. And there was a documentary that I followed and it reminded me of my time as a coach, but also as a spectator. And I also related that to business because it's about you need to gather the right team. You have to have the right people that all work together as one team. Then you need to set clear goals and in the documentary, I later on saw everybody wanted to be world champion. That was the goal. Even after the semi-finals winning against the US, which was historic already, they were still saying one more. We have not reached our goal. Our goal is to become world champion. So we have to continue. And then to have clear roles and responsibilities. So everybody, whether you are number 1, the star player, or whether you are number 12 and might not even play, you are equally important. You have your role and you have to deliver. And then to have the discipline and the consequence to go for that. And I think that was a really good example of that and finally successful. We are undergoing a transformation in the automotive industry and also in Magna Powertrain. In global eDrive engineering, we have, I like to say, the heart and the brain of the eDrive. We have the e-motor, we have the inverter, we have the software. Without that, there would be no electrification. So this is quite a challenge. We have to focus on people and we have to focus on togetherness and on improvements. We did a lot of improvements. We also introduced the Acceleration Week, which we did the second time this year, which was very successful. With more than 300 people and 30 projects, just improving. And just important also to collaborate with joint ventures and our other partners. And I think overall it's just about staying in the game and still being a part of this game. Of course, one game or one project is a finite thing, but overall it's an infinite game. It just continues, it never stops. And I'm also still playing for the German national team above 50. And it was fascinating to see that this year's World Championship, the oldest active player is somebody from the team in US with 91 years. And he's still playing. And he says, as long as I'm breathing, I will play. And this is, I think, what we want to do at Magna Powertrain as well. We need to stay in the game. And win a lot of games, but we need to win a lot of games to stay in the game as long as possible. The thing that I love most about basketball is the togetherness and the team spirit and the competitiveness that the game has. But also the tactical things. When playing with young guys, I recognize that they get the ball and run very quickly without thinking what they are doing or what they want to do. So, and I try to bring in and have to bring in a little bit of go slow to go fast, because I'm not that fast anymore, and I'm not that strong anymore. Still tall, but so you always have to think about what are your strengths, what are the opponent's weaknesses, and what are your weaknesses and your strengths, and try to bring that in the game in order to be successful. I was happy to participate in Magna's BeYouWithUs campaign because I think the diversity that we have is quite a strong force. And that is a good example. We are showing all the diversity we have. Of course, in business, but also everybody has, let's say, private life that relates to also work, like basketball in my case. And that is very strong. Diversity is very strong. Everybody can bring in different aspects in life. I'm pretty sure together we are stronger. Playing with young people, and also when working with young people here at Magna, I try to tell them it's an infinite game. You need to be in this game, you need to stay in this game. That means sometimes go slow to go fast. Think about what you're doing. Don't immediately rush to conclusions. And also make sure from time to time to take rest, to reflect on what you're doing, and then to move on.